I'm testing out my new camera. Well, not a new camera. I just usually record on something different. So this is my GoPro this time. So I'm just gonna give a quick update on what's going on with my truck while I'm testing out the camera. If you look right here, these tires, they sent me the wrong tires. I ordered. Let me just show you. I ordered 33 by 12 and a halves by 20s, and they sent me 33 by 12 and a halves by 15s. And so now I got to put the label on them to get these to go, and my new one's supposed to be here tomorrow, so hopefully I can get that. And on the other note is my truck is now actually at the shop, because when I put the control arms on, I put factory style control arms, and with my lift I needed longer control arms, so I had to order control arms from Rough Country, and the shop is going to put those on for me and hopefully get my tires mounted, and my truck will be ready for me to drive it. So that's what's going on with the truck right now. I took it to get it aligned. At Firestone they couldn't do it, so I took it to another shop that deals with lifted vehicles, and they're going to do the alignment for me. So that's what's going on with the truck, and you'll see more videos on that coming soon. Actually, you'll see the video of me finishing everything up on it. So that's what's going on with my truck, just trying to finish it up. Okay, I picked my truck up from the shop. They did the alignment on it, and they also changed the control arms. These are the Rough Country control arms. That's what I had to put on it. My factory stock control arms didn't work. They couldn't get it aligned with those, so I got that back. And what I'm about to do now is I'm about to put my light bar in and put my fog lights in. I never put the fog lights in, so that's what I'm about to do now. Alright, my new tires came in. I actually shipped off the old ones, and the new ones are here. And you can see right here, these are 33 by 12 and a halves by 20s. These are the ones that I'm supposed to have. So I'm going to get these mounted up and put on my truck as soon as I get it back from the shop. Just loaded up my tires, getting ready to go get them mounted so I can complete the stuff on my truck and get back to working on the GTO. I was trying to wait for some good weather to clean my truck up so I can show y'all the outcome, but this is all I got. Is drizzling out here. But what I don't like is, you see it got the little squat going. I got to get a bigger block for the back. Rough Country said they don't know why it came up like that, a little bit bigger in the front than the back, or taller in the front than the back, so they're going to send me out a block, to put in the back of it. So, and you can see that I put the light bar on it. So I got the light bar on there, and just a little walk around. Alright, that's it. Just like I said, I wish I could have had some better weather, but I also didn't want to hold up the video. So alright, comment, like, subscribe to keep up with my projects. I still got the GTO coming. It's coming along pretty fast. I had to take a little break from it and work on my truck because I was getting frustrated with it, but check out the next video. It's probably going to be the GTO video, and just like I said, I'm moving along on that.